Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be putting you through step-by-step method on how to register for TIN and VAT in Nigeria. Now, just in case you're wondering what is TIN and VAT, now before I proceed, please kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscription button, so that whenever I make a new post like this, it sends you a notification telling you I've just made a new post. Now let's get into it. Now, what is TIN, what is VAT? Now, TIN is a tax identification number, while the VAT is the value added tax. Now, in case you're wondering, why should I pay those things? Like, well, it's the law. It's your civic responsibility to pay taxes. And again, if you don't get these things, you can't even open a business account in Nigeria. So now these are the major requirements when you are opening a business account in Nigeria. And this is the reason why you need a VAT or a TIN. Again, what is VAT? VAT is value added tax. Now, this is another tax that is imposed on some commodity or some services. So which means if you run some kind of product, you are required to pay VAT. So for example, if you're running a restaurant or a hotel, for example, you would realize that if you check the receipt, you see VAT, mostly 7.5%. I'm not a tax consultant, and I don't really have much experience in tax, but from my understanding, for limited liability company, at the end of the month, a particular sum from your total revenue, from your total profit, goes to the government. I think now for VAT is 7.5%. For example, if you run a service-based company, let's say a construction worker or a construction company, and someone is giving you a contract to do a particular service. So there are two ways to go about it for VAT. VAT is 7.5% in Nigeria, right? So, and if someone is employing you to do a particular service, so you can either go through this way. If the total cost of the whole job is about 100,000, you can now say, you know what, VAT is 7.5%, so that it will now be 7.5% of 100,000. Or for some people, they will now remove it from the 100,000. So depending on the one that works best for you, you can always add VAT, or you should always add VAT to your charges. So what are the requirements? Number one, the first requirement is you need to have registered your business with the CAC. Now, I made a video on how to register your business with CAC. I'll be dropping the link somewhere here, and I'll be dropping it in the description box so that you can easily find it. So, first of all, register your business, and I'll be, like that article actually explains how to do this yourself without having to pay someone to do it for you. So, once you have your certificates printed out, you present that. They'll have to see that you also have to make photocopies. So number two, you have to address a letter to the tax controller, Federal Inland Revenue Services. Now, depending on your location, they'll give you, just go to the office, they'll give you the format and how to go about that. So once you address the letter to the tax controller, you also have to bring that letter. Then secondly, you have to present all registration forms. So which means they'll give you two forms. So you'll be presented with two forms. Number one, the VAT form, which is this, and the TIN form, which is this. So they're going to present you these two forms. Then you have to fill it completely with accurate information. Make sure you fill it properly. Then thirdly, you have to also present your CAC certificate, like I said before. Present your CAC certificate. And then fourth one, you have to present an utility bill that bears the address of where your office is located, because they want to ensure that you are trackable. Just in case you don't pay tax, they can easily find it. So you have to, it could be utility bill like NEPA bill, it could be water bill, it could be LOMA bill too. So just ensure that you have a document that shows that this is where you work. And also you have to also present your ID card, right? So these are some of the requirements. And lastly, this is another important one, the company seal. You also have to present a company seal. So you can meet all these men that actually make seals. So they'll customize a seal for you. You're going to stamp every document you are presenting to them with that company seal. Basically, this is everything you need to register for TIN in Nigeria. So what I'll also be doing is I'll be dropping a link to all the offices in Nigeria if I can. Basically, that is how to register for TIN in Nigeria. So if you need more information, inquiries, or you need clarification, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to respond to all your inquiries. And also, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like this page, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, because more people would need this. And also, please click on the subscription button, click on the description icon so that you don't get to miss any post from me. See you next time. Have a great 2022. Bye.